So starting the test drive in this CR-V hybrid Trailsport, like the hybrid powertrain here, it's relatively quick just having in the normal drive mode here, and it feels very nice. The ride is good, the power output is good, it's very quiet, just under light throttle here. But really comfortable overall. Even though the seats are cloth and they feel a bit bulky, they're not uncomfortable in the least, and it's an impressive setup they have here. And it's just driving very normally, very well. Now you can hear the CVT kind of keeping a weird idle there, but for the most part, again, relatively quiet. Now I do want to give one more huge thanks to Daryl Waltrip Honda for allowing me to review this vehicle today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But not really much to say about it because it's interesting. Honda has a history with this hybrid powertrain, and it really does a great job. Your fuel economy is incredible for a vehicle like this, especially to have all-wheel drive capability as well. But it does a lot without you noticing it, if that makes sense. Just with your overall driving perspective, when you're behind the wheel here, you don't feel the transition from gas to EV to hybrid to when this does that, and it's incredible how good it feels. Again, just being behind the wheel here and just not noticing all that's going on here. It's just a simple drive. Now, when you first come out of a stop, you do feel the battery push you up to about 10-12 miles an hour, and it varies based on throttle output, how much battery life you have, all of that. But you feel it as you are coming out of that stop. Now, whether you floor it or not, you either get the instant torque from the electric motors, or you'll just get the silent power from the electric motors as you get up to speed slowly. So it's nice to have the best of both worlds there. But I love just the setup here. The controls, everything is very easy to use. It doesn't feel as technologically advanced, but it does feel easy. I don't feel like overwhelmed by the radio, by the AC controls, by the steering wheel. Just everything makes sense. Lane centering's here. Adaptive cruise is here. Setting your speed is right there. It's all very easy. But I also love having the animation here, just that hybrid view showing me when the braking is going back to the battery, when the battery is being used, when the gas engine is being used, so on and so forth. Now, I've had it in Econ mode for a minute, and the Econ mode does limit throttle response, but also you can feel the AC being cut off as well. It's just very quiet there. It's not blowing as hard. But let's give it a pull here in sport. Here we go. And I mean, the pulling power is phenomenal. Now, I do want to give one more thanks to Daryl Waltrip Honda for allowing me to review this vehicle today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But absolutely fantastic drive here. Lane centering's on, adaptive cruise is on. Just an easy to drive vehicle. And when you're getting 38 miles per gallon city, 33 highway, it's nice that you get fantastic fuel economy, a fantastic ride, good pickup, and all of that for a pretty decent price. But this Trailsport with the all-wheel drive is meant to be more off-road oriented, and I think it's ready to take on that light off-roading or light snow, whatever you may have in your foreseeable future. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid Trailsport.